All right, everybody. I'm going to do a quick little rundown and just update on the Bitcoin 4 year cycle, where we're at in the cycle. We have the monthly chart pulled up here to start out, and I've got some stuff highlighted just so y'all understand in case you've missed live streams and other updates that I've had previously. So, from this is the life of Bitcoin on the monthly chart, each candle representing 1 month. Here's your first cycle low, and as you start counting from there, we had a high at month 35, a low at month 47. There's usually a second low at 49, and it has come in both times also. There was our first cycle, our second cycle that most people knew about. You come around, you start again. We peaked at month 35 a second time. We bottomed at month 47 once again. So that's a nice repeating pattern, and it's because of the 4 year cycle and the halving. It's really a cycle that a lot of people have vaguely heard about. Nobody's really looked into, but I truly believe in it. Bob Lucas, one of my all-time favorite analysts, bases everything on time, and he has been spot on so far. With that being said, you can see the similarities. It doesn't have to have a repeating pattern to the exact, but it tends to rhyme. So if this is the pattern, we have to assume it's going to continue this pattern until it doesn't anymore. But as of now, it is. This is month 20 off of the low. And you can see where we were back up, basically double topping from previous highs. We've done that again. We're at month 20 right here. And all this really is a consolidation at a previous area of resistance, which was the high. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing unusual. People panic, oh, we're at 57 from 74. Don't. This is what Bitcoin does. It has pullbacks, and in a later video, I'll outline to show you all of the pullbacks that we've had up each one of these. The monthly doesn't show them like the weekly and daily does, but we're just repeating the pattern, y'all. And so that puts us, should the pattern repeat a third time, month 35 being our peak. So we have about 15 months left. And you can see once we broke past the month 21 was another red month of sideways consolidation. Once that broke in October of 2020, straight up. And it's looking real similar that we've had this big U-shaped pattern. Here it is again. It looks real similar that maybe we have another terrible month of just consolidation, slightly downward movement, maybe to 52. And then September, October, we started upward trajectory heading towards that 160, 180 range, somewhere around month 35. We're not going to talk about the possibilities of a mega cycle right now. That'll be a different video, but this is just an update to kind of show people don't panic. We've had crazy ups and downs, and it's just doing what it always does. We're hitting lows on the same, we're hitting highs on the same, and we're just getting that same trajectory. It doesn't have to be exact, but right here we had that midsummer rally that ran up, and then sideways consolidation for the most part, more of a double topish. Same thing. We had this rally, sideways consolidation, looking very double topish, which everyone screams, and then we have a breakout. It's all based on the 4 year cycle, the halving, and a lot of economic indicators that slow it down by a month or so here or there. But don't panic. Bitcoin is still golden, still beautiful. It's just going to do what it does and take its time. So we're looking at a top in the next 15 months around month 35. And I personally think because of the ETFs, it goes higher than we expected, which our 160, 180 range has been projected for 2 years now. But for the most part, I think we should be in that range, bar any crazy, like more Ethereum ETFs are going nuts. Then you got, if they start throwing in a bunch more of those, we could have a lot more buying pressure come in. So don't panic, hang in there, hold your positions, add 2 on the dumps if you don't have as much as you'd like, but we're getting to a point that you won't get a good price or a discount very much longer. So that's it. I had that recorded earlier and we just wanted to share that with everybody. So we'll have some more updates on Bitcoin broken down into a smaller time frame for some of you day traders coming a little later. Thanks.